Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all, you have here Google Play Temu buy as a millionaire. So we have here over than 100 million downloads. As you can see, you can just install it or you can just dive into temu.com. So this is the homepage. We have here our various products, and if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over orders and account, and then you'll link your account. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So all you have to do if you want to become an affiliate program, it's just scrolling down here as you can see, then you click over affiliate and influencer earn commission. So we have here this homepage and we have here various information. But before, let's know how you can make money on Temu. So you can make money on Temu by just reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your affiliate links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable ventures. So if we come back to the top, we have here earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Have here earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you can just click over here, get started. And we have here other things. So if you scroll down, so we have here high commissions, we have exclusive selling price, and we have here trusted brand. So you can just scroll down to know more information. So we have here empowering affiliates to allow benefits for every profile. About this one, it's very important. We have here authorized influencers as a user authorized through our platform enjoy a range of benefits including we have here 200% for commission, generous commission rates on order, we have here abundant credits, access a world of credits for additional perks. We have used talent bonuses, receive rewards for every user talent. Then we have here websites. As a registered website affiliate, enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. High commission rates, benefit from generous commission rates on orders. Then we have tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. So if we scroll down, we have also here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and we have here one important things. So we have here $100. New app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. We have your free gifts. New app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. Now the first thing is join a list in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 200% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So this is it how you can start with Temu. You can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on the link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want. So this is how you can start, but the issue here is how you can share your link and how you can convince people to click on your link. The first step is using TikTok. So how you can do that? So first, to earn money on Temu, TikTok, start by creating a catching videos that showcase popular products like that and highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to post visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Also, we have Pinterest. So about Pinterest, to earn money on Temu, draw Pinterest, create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link and pin titles. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. As you can see, we have here decor, jewelry, and you can choose your niche. Regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have Reddit. So to earn money on Temu, draw Reddit. Join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendation, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link. Following subreddits rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interests. As users make purchases, through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how you can do with Reddit. And we have your tabs on how to find quality on Temu, what things are worth buying on Temu. You can just answer for these questions, then you will represent your link and you advise people to click on this link and you earn commission on this. Then we have the last step, which is create content. About Instagram and YouTube. For Instagram to earn money on Temu, draw Instagram and YouTube start by creating engaging content that showcase popular products. So first we have Instagram. When on Instagram, post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu by creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.